Hi guys, and welcome to the 6th tutorial in my series on how to create a free website using Weebly.com. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. So the last tutorial we created a YouTube logo which we placed on top of our banner there, and we also created a gallery of pictures down here. So leading on nicely from the fact that we now have a YouTube logo on our banner, it would be good to actually get a YouTube video embedded within our website. Embedded means as in the video can be clicked on and played within the website. So in order to do that, we're in the build tab here. So if we come over here and scroll down, you'll see you have a block that's called YouTube. So we're going to hover over that, left button down on the mouse. I'm going to place this below our gallery here. So once the blue line appears below the gallery, I know that it's going to place it below that gallery. So let go of the left button on the mouse. You'll see it inserts a link to YouTube window. Now at the moment it just has a default Amazing Northern Lights time-lapse default link that it goes to. We want to change that so that it's going to a video that is to do with our site. So hover over it so you can see that the blue line has appeared around the edge. Left click on it and then this will appear, YouTube video URL. So what we need to do is find the video that we want to use on our YouTube account and copy the URL into this box. So in order to do that, we go to our YouTube channel that we would have created by now, and I'm going to select this video, pause that for a second. We need to share this, so I'm going to click on share. This is the URL link that we need, so click on copy. You can then close that window if you wish. Go back to Weebly and paste that link into that box. Click away, give it a second, and then our video that we want to use is now available to play within our website. Next up, let's have a play around with theme. We might be looking at our website now and thinking, do you know what, I would like to change the color of the font. Maybe I don't like the font style. Maybe I would like to see how my website looks with a different style. That is possible without us losing any of the work that we've done so far. So in order to do that, we need to come out of the build tab, and now we're going to move over to the theme tab. So we click on that. Okay, so now we have our theme tools at the side here. So let's go to change fonts. So I'm going to click on change fonts, and I want to change the navigation menu. So let's click on that, and then these tools will appear. At the moment it's in its default setting of Cara font style. If we click on this, then we have all of these different options appear, so we can pick any of these that we like. There are many to choose from. I'm just going to pick one at random, use that one, and you'll see that it's already applied it. We can play around with the size, so plus and minuses here, and as you can see it straight away applies that. We can change the weight, so we can go to bold, automatically applies it. Maybe you want uppercase, on and off. I actually prefer uppercase. Letter spacing, plus and minus. We can have a play around with this and get the font looking exactly how we like it. When we're finished with that, we can go back. So these font adjustments apply to all of these categories. So if I click on paragraph titles, you'll see we have the same options as we did with the navigation pane. So we can change the font here, we can change the style, the weight, we can also change the color. So if I scroll down a little bit here to a paragraph title, which is here, and I want to change the color, click on this drop down menu. Let's say I want to change it to that color, and you'll see that it applies. If I click on this little arrow going across here, I can adjust that to whatever darkness that I like, or whatever lightness I like, and I go back and it's darkened it for me. So there's lots of options as far as changing the colors of fonts. When we're happy, click on the back arrow here, and we're back to our design options navigation pane here. If we click back again, we come back to our theme navigation pane. You'll see when we click on the links to the different pages, the font color changes. We can also change how the font color changes when we hover over like this. So if we come over here, if we click on one of these tabs, just click on the red, you'll see instead of it going a darker black, it changes to red when we click on our navigation pane here. If we click on the plus there, we can drop this menu down and we can change that to any color that we wish. Okay, next up, let's have a play around with swapping around the theme of our website. So how it looks and changing the feel of our website if we decide that's what we want to do. So I'm going to click on the Change Theme tab here. So click on that and then this window will start loading, and this is our theme gallery. We do have a recently used tab, we have a custom tab here. I'm going to select blog, so I'm going to click on that, scroll down, and then let's decide I want to change my website so it looks like this template. So I'm going to choose that template. So click on choose. Those changes will then be applied, and then you can see our website has now changed to a different template. So the font style is slightly different and the layout is slightly different. However, all of the work and everything that we've added to our website has remained unchanged. If we change our mind and we want to revert back to the original theme that we were using, go back to the theme tab here, click on the change theme, which will take us back to our theme gallery, and then all we need to do is select the template that we were using before, and I'm going to choose that theme. And as you can see, our theme has now reverted back to how it was before. We may be curious to see how our website would look on a mobile phone. We can do that within Weebly. If we come up to this button here, the device switcher, and click on it, we can switch to mobile, and then a display will show us how our website would look on a mobile phone device. So there we go. That gives us an idea of how our website would look. When we're finished with looking at that, we can then switch back to desktop. Finally, when we're pleased with our website and it's ready to publish, we simply come over to the publish button here, click on that, and then a window will appear saying publishing, and then it will tell us that our website is published. This HTTPS address line here is where we will be able to find our website. We can share this link to Twitter or Facebook, and if we want to share this link via email, we can simply select, right click and copy, and then paste that into an email, and the recipient will be able to click on this link and it will take them straight to our website. This completes my series on how to make a free website using Weebly.com. If you would like to know more, please feel free to contact me, and I am happy to create more tutorials and we can dig into some more of the functions that are available within Weebly.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again.